Today we have the 2021 Kia Sportage. It has done just over 34,000 miles. It is a diesel hybrid vehicle with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access our map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.